Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. I'm at Planet Fitness. This is probably the best song they've had for the last week. If you want to see some awesome videos, I have 25 solar panels. If you want to learn how to make your own electricity, on the links down below. Also, subscribe, click that little bell. And you can also see about the indoor garden and all the other adventures I have. Yeah, today, Planet Fitness. I'm 54. I'm gonna get my grind on. Tuesday, 5 o'clock. Tune in. We got a little bit of a what you call SEO for the YouTube channel. If you want to grow your channel, if you want to get a lot more subscribers, if you want to get a lot more views. I did web design for 8 years. I'm no longer in that business, but I want you guys to follow along, and I'll show you some really cool stuff with TubeBuddy as well. But yeah, it's going to be exciting. You're going to love it, and I want you all to rock on there. And of course, like and share if you like this. But today was the back, the pull down, bent over rows, the pull down with straight arms, MTS row, and the regular rows. I finally got on the schedule. I went out to my garage gym. I found one of the old workout schedules. And the shoulders. Oh, I did a mile. I did a whole mile. First time this week. Did the whole thing. So I think that puts me up to 3 miles for the week. Shoulders. I did the sides, and there's another thing of sides. Front raise, shoulder press, the seated press, shoulder shrugs. Not too shabby. I want you all to get into this. I want you to I'll jump in there. You're video creators, you can do this too. You can create videos for the fitness as well. I'd like to see you all get in shape. This next year, start eating right, getting in shape, doing some really awesome stuff. And you can stick it through with me, because I can't do it by myself. We're not doing 1 year resolutions, we're doing 1 month resolutions, sometimes 1 week resolutions. Oh, my shoulders get sore. And we can all do this, 1 step at a time, 1 day at a time. All right, I'm gonna close it out right here. Go do some editing, and have a nice sunny day. Hit the button.